Hello guys. How's it going? Today we will learn how to write an undertaking letter for a bank account. Because a person will receive his salary through named checks. So he will need to open a bank account. So guys, let's start. You can see Word blank document has opened. Now we will start to writing an undertaking letter. We will adjust measurements of a page. As I mentioned you previous in videos, that reference number and date is a basic or essentials for your future references and your remembrance. And where do you have keep these letters, and to maintain letter about 1.75 inches gap from the top. This letter is most important for those who receive higher salary and it reflect tax liability amount. We start the letter with the same with reference and the date. After reference number and date you will need to whom are you addressing in the letter. So we are addressing to the bank manager or operation manager, so write bank manager and bank details. Two, the relationship manager or the manager. Bank name. Area name with branch. Bank city name and country name full stop or dot and underline last line. After addressing. Subject should be available in your letter. It can clearly representing to the recipient what your letter is about. In this letter, a company is giving undertaking and endorse a person who will receive his salary in future though company's checks, so then write subject as undertaking. Keep underline subject the row in all official letters. Letter will start to who it may concern. It's mean a company or an authorized person is a broad way to address professional or formal correspondence. To whom it may concern that Hanzu Holding CNIC number 00100. Is working in Esso Multi Products. As marketing manager. Dated August 1st, 2023. Now write an amount that he will get through salary. amount that he will get through salary. In the end, you will write ending lines. Thank you. Yours faithfully, Esso Multi Products. Please note down basic and essentials for an bank's undertaking letter. 1. A person's full name. 2. A person's government identity card. 3. A person's visiting card designation which is provided in the letter. 4. The amount of salary that will be received in digit and alphabetical. 5. Terms of payment cash or by a check. 6. This letter should be written on a company letterhead. Now let me read the entire letter to you. To whom it may concern that Hanzu Holding CNIC number 00100 is working in Esso Multi Products as Director Marketing from August 2009. And his salary is PKR equals 125,000/125,000 rupees, which is paid to him through check. Hope you will understand entire letter. Salutation. Purpose. And requirement or essentials. We will be back with next video. Subscribe and watch videos.